Welcome, my name is Max from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today we're going through the scapular push-ups exercise from the ACE home-based maintenance program. The purpose of this exercise is to improve posture and shoulder blade movement. So you basically want your shoulder blades to get engaged and move. The predominant muscle that you should feel it in is the muscle surrounding the shoulder blades and just below it. I will provide you with a couple of levels of difficulty, so choose one that feels like a comfortable challenge to start with. Okay, so for the scapular push-ups, you're going to put your hands against the wall, about shoulder width apart, on the level of the shoulder. And then it is a very slight movement, so your elbows will stay extended the whole time through, and you only work from your shoulders, so only your shoulder blades are moving. I will now show you some higher levels of difficulty on the ground. So the first variation of the scapular push-up is in a 4-point position. So you have your knees on the ground and your hands on the ground. You will have 90 degrees here to the ground, here, and then same here. Important again, like with all the exercises, to keep the back strong and straight. So same thing here, we want to keep our elbows extended and then just work from our shoulder blades. So nothing else should move. It's just a small movement from the shoulder blades. The next level would be to go into a push-up position. So now we're going with our knees off the ground. Same thing, you want to have one line from the heels of your feet all the way up to your shoulders, and then only move from the shoulders. So only your shoulder blades should be moving. Like with all the exercises, please, before engaging in them, read the disclaimer on the website. Thank you very much.